New York Oft-injured first baseman Greg Bird and the New York Yankees have agreed to a $1.2 million, one-year contract to avoid arbitration. The 26-year-old hit .214 with 11 homers and 31 RBIs in 311 plate appearances during an injury-wrecked 2018 season in which he lost the first base job to July acquisition Luke Voit. Bird started the season on the disabled list following surgery March 27 to remove a broken spur on the outside of his right ankle, and he did not play for the Yankees until May 26. Bird made $572,000 last year. New York has 8 remaining players eligible to swap proposed salaries Friday: shortstop Didi Gregorius, outfielder Aaron Hicks, starting pitchers Luis Severino, James Paxton and Sonny Gray, relievers Dellin Betances and Tommy Kahnle, and backup catcher Austin Rumini. The Detroit Tigers have avoided arbitration with reliever Shane Green, agreeing to a $4 million, one-year contract with the right-hander. January 10, 2019 3 a.m. January 10, 2019 7:23 p.m. January 10, 2019 3 a.m. January 10, 2019 3 a.m. January 10, 2019 6:48 p.m. January 10, 2019 5:22 p.m.